In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice in the Claude AI app, step by step, on both mobile and web. This is a quick but really useful setting to know because if you use Claude for voice mode, you can make the experience feel more natural, more comfortable, and easier to follow. Whether you're on iPhone, Android, or using Claude in your browser, I'll walk you through exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to switch voices without getting stuck. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. If you're using Claude on mobile, the first thing you want to do is open the Claude app on your device. Once the app is open, look at the text input field at the bottom of the screen. You should see a voice mode icon, which looks like a sound wave symbol right next to the microphone icon. Tap that voice mode icon to begin. The first time you use voice mode, the Claude will usually prompt you to choose a voice. This is where you can pick the voice you want to use from the available options. Take a moment to listen and choose the one that sounds best for you. If you want to change the voice later, don't worry, you don't have to start over. While you're in voice mode, look for the settings button in the bottom left corner of the screen and tap it. From there, you should see your voice options again, along with pace settings. Tap your preferred voice, then adjust the pace if needed. This is helpful if you want Claude to speak faster, slower, or just at a more comfortable speed for listening. Once you've selected everything, you can continue using voice mode with your new settings right away. Now, if you're using Claude on the web at Claude AI, the process is just as simple. First, open Claude in your browser and go to Settings, then choose General. After that, scroll down until you find the Voice Settings section. Here, you'll see a list of available voices you can choose from. Click on any voice option to hear a preview, which is a great way to compare them before deciding. If you want to stop the preview, just click the same option again. Once you find the voice you like, select it, and Claude will use that voice for your web voice mode experience. This makes it easy to personalize how Claude sounds, especially if you use it often for conversations, reading, or hands-free interaction. So just to recap, on mobile, you open the app, tap the voice mode icon, choose a voice the first time, and use the settings button later to switch voices and pace. On web, you go to Settings, then General, then Voice Settings, and pick the voice you want from the list. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how you use Claude every day. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.